So it's Friday the 17th of May 2024 and I'm at Coseley train station. This is the train station. Here's the artiness and look, it's a sunny day. And guess what we've been doing? And guess who's here? We've got the Coseley crew.
Hi.
Hi. So the Coseley gang will explain what happened and why we've got our gorgeous mosaic behind them. So we got Nat, Maria, we got Ron and we got Dave. How gorgeous. So
Well,
Nat.
I saw Caroline's work many years ago on Facebook, fell in love with it and destined to have one. And eventually we got some funding and it all came together that the lovely work ended up in the community.
What bits do you like, Maria? What do you think?
Well, my two favourites is the fox and the sunflower. And Caroline, you put the sunflower in honour of our son who we lost, so that's very special.
So just show you the sunflower and this is the sunflower.
Yes.
And you know, when you find something that's absolutely spot on, you know, that's when you know it's meant to be.
Yes. And the fox.
The fox. Little fox. Little fox. And I've done my little signature there so that you know. How about you, Ron?
I love the dragonfly.
Yes.
And I love that every time you look at it, you find something different.
Oh,
it's amazing.
Bless you. I'm going to do a little show you what it looks like in a second. How about you, Dave?
The owl.
Yeah, we love the owl.
Yeah, there's all different bits on there, the butterflies.
I haven't seen the owl yet.
Yeah, look, there's flying owl.
Oh, yeah.
These bits are nice and the owl's tail, Caroline.
Yeah.
Do you know, that owl was so
And the-
difficult to do. It took me forever to get it right. And then
the earring on our fox.
I know, because he's a hard fox.
We even like the way this not so nice bench reflects in all the canal sparkly blue
Yeah.
bits over there.
Who knew that would be? And also the blue engineering brick as well.
Yes.
No, it's just been an absolute joy working for you guys. This group of people have been gorgeous. We've had so many ups and downs. You know, it was January 2023 when we first had our meeting to talk about what we're going to do. And actually creating the mosaic wouldn't have taken me, 100 hours, you know. But there's been other hiccups and we'll leave it at that. But I'm gonna ask the gang to step off from the seat so that I can show you what the mosaic looks like now, because everyone on social media has seen this through photographs and filmettes over this year and a half, but they're now going to see it in real life in the actual space. So we've got all the initials of the gang. So we've got Maria. Faye just left, unfortunately, because she's got a meeting next. We've got Natalie, Dave, and Ron's initial there. Obviously, I've signed it. Look at this. I mean, you know, when you have an idea in your studio, and sometimes the studio is dark because you're working in the winter, but when you're hoping that the work will be absolutely how you're imagining it. So this kingfisher, for example, in real life, sometimes you only see a fleck of iridescence and then you realise you've just seen a kingfisher. So that's exactly how I wanted to emulate that. And the owl, like I say, was a right pain to get it right. But then I found these tiles, these edging tiles that work perfectly as flapping wings. And I've got lots of cutouts of butterflies and flowers on the edge, and I've got a little nightingale, a little bluebird there, all sorts of gorgeousness. And I love Mr. Froggy just about to leap onto the ivy. So that works out perfectly with the bulrushes. So just show you, just give you a little bit of a whilst the train's going by. This is a very active train station, so this works perfectly. So it's Caroline Jeriwala, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.